Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, it's been a while since I've posted anything over here, and pretty excited to share what I have in this video, and also nervous because it's my first time talking with the camera, but I just thought maybe I should get in front of the camera and start putting out videos. And to start with, I have this amazing Canvas 16 tablet with me. Full disclosure, this video has been sponsored by Ubion tablet, and those guys were kind enough to send me one of the best products. It's the Canvas 16 tablet. I have actually opened this box already to see what the box looks like. But let's move to the unboxing experience and see how it goes. So here I have with me the Canvas 16 tablet. I've actually opened the box already, but for the sake of unboxing, I had to, just to show you how the unboxing felt like again. I'm not talking about the actual box, just talking about the upper packaging. So the whole box is matte black, which is amazing. You get this thank you note from Ubion. You can register your product using the QR code to get some extra services out of Ubion, which is, I would say, really great. And I'm just gonna flip the box to show you some of the details, and those details are mentioned in the screen as you can see. And if not, you can check out the links I have mentioned in the description and in my bio for a detailed view. I'm anyways gonna talk about the product while I am reviewing it and making a super sick artwork. So gonna open the box real quick. And the box and the packaging was really good, but the parcel got delayed by 3 days, so it's not really Ubion's fault. It's the delivery service in my region. Those guys are messed up. And this is the tablet, and it's a separator to separate the content from the box and the tablet. You get this amazing 3-in-1 cable, pretty sturdy cable I would say. And also you get some glove and a microfiber cloth to clean your tablet. This is the power connector which you need to plug into the 3-in-1 cable, and then it will power your tablet on. There's a there's also an adapter with it, and just the pen holder and the extra nibs that you get with every Ubion tablet, which is amazing to be honest. And next is the pen. I'm going to talk about it again in a bit. It's a battery free pen, pretty lightweight I would say. The first impression is amazing so far, and I don't even know why I wore this glove, but I thought it looked cool. Yeah, so this is a microfiber cloth again. And now moving on to opening the tablet itself, and I have to say it's very premium. In this budget, to get a tablet of with this kind of build quality is amazing I would say. And moving on, you can see it's aluminum frame and an anti-slippery back, so and it's pretty lightweight as well, so you can carry it with you wherever you're going, which is very convenient for me because I travel a lot. And actually not a lot, but yeah, I do travel often. So as you can see, these are the express keys and the touch bars in the tablet. I just thought of giving a nice quick cinematic shot for you guys. The amazing viewing angles is pretty good. There's no color difference when doing it from different angles. This is a 3-in-1 cable where it's connected, the pen and the pen holder itself, and these are the extra nibs. And now we are gonna see how it looks in my setup. So my whole setup is red themed, so I just had to set up my own wallpaper in here and give a very consistent feel to it. So one thing I noticed is that there was no stand in the Canvas 16, but obviously the stand is included in the Canvas Pro 16 version, but that's not a problem for me because I had a stand already. And here's a quick preview of one of my recent artworks, but this is not the artwork I was talking about. I'm going to start working on it in a bit. So it's been a couple of days since I've started using this tablet in my day-to-day purposes as well. Roughly 5 days I guess, 4 or 5 days, and because of which my review got a bit delayed. But I just wanted to give you guys my honest opinions on this tablet. I would say it's amazing so far. I would say it's not pretty amazing, it's very amazing so far. And having used like Ubion products earlier as well, I am not disappointed at all. The build quality, everything, the viewing angles are great. And as you can see, I just wanted to give you guys like a quick preview of my process as well, and how it feels like to draw on this tablet. So this tablet has actually sped up my process by at least 5x, you can say. And for the illustration that I'm drawing, is it's the Monk Spider concept. I've had this idea in my mind since a while of creating monk versions of Avengers. To start with, I started with Spider-Man, of course, because Spider-Man is one of my favorite superheroes. And to give you a quick backstory that I've had in my mind while drawing this one was like this Spider-Man was probably born and brought up in a monk community, and so he has been granted the power of a spiders through the to a spider god or something like that. You know, it's a crazy world out there. So you never know. So I'm gonna take out a moment to talk about a few other things. One of which is the color accuracy of this tablet, which is I think is insane, and the colors are as accurate as they can get while you're working on an illustration or an artwork or editing videos. The best part, another best part is the pen of this tablet. The pen is amazing. It's one of the most lightweight pen that I have used in a graphic or a pen display tablet. It does not put a lot of strain on your hand while you're working, so that's one of the best part. You can customize the keys on the pen and the express keys as well. Lately I have been getting way too much used to the touch bar that they are provided on the tablet for zooming in and zooming out in my artwork, so that's one good thing. Apart from that, I think this is one of the best tablets out there in this budget range, and I'm looking forward to getting more used to it and using it in my day-to-day illustrations and things like that, and can't wait to share it with you guys as well. Just gonna add some final touches to this artwork, and here's a quick montage of the full artwork. And as you can see, it came out great. So there you have it guys, that was my full review and unboxing of the Canvas 16 tablet. Loving it so far in my setup, and it fits perfectly. And also I have been using this tablet for more than I guess 2 or 3 weeks roughly. So I can say that this is one of the best tablets out there, and one of the key things that I've noted is that this tablet did not heat up much, because whenever you're using a pen display tablet, you don't want your palm to get heated up because of the heat the tablet is producing. It makes you feel uncomfortable while drawing, but this tablet did not heat up a lot. And once again, Yugioon has done an amazing job building this tablet for the creatives. And if you are looking to upgrade from graphic tablet to a pen display tablet with a bigger display, I think this would be the perfect option for you guys in the budget of 40 to 50k. I would also mention the US dollar equivalent somewhere over here. And you can also go ahead and check out the links I have mentioned in the description and in the bio. That would help me a lot for more of such collaborations in the future with Yugioon again. And thanks again Yugioon for sending in this tablet, loving it so far. And I'll see you guys in the next one.